Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create your WeChat account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download WeChat application from the Play Store. So go to the Play Store and searching for a WeChat. Search. At the very top, you can see WeChat application. Just aside of it, you can see install button. Tap on install. As you can see, WeChat application has been installed, so just tap in open. As we are going to create a new account in WeChat, we will tap on sign up. Here, you can register your WeChat account with your phone number or also with your Facebook account in just few steps. If you register your WeChat account with Facebook, then all the required details to register account on WeChat are fetched from your Facebook account. For now, I am going to register my WeChat account with my phone number, so I will tap on sign up via mobile. Here, to create your account, you need to provide some details like your profile photo, your name, reason, phone number and also a password. So, let's start from the name. Now provide a profile photo of yours, just tapping on camera icon. Tap on allow. Now go in for providing your country, that is your region. Now provide your phone number. Enter a password for your account. Tap on the circle agree to terms of service. After you fill up all your details, just tap on sign up. Here, for the privacy policy, you have to tick on the circle I have read and accept the above terms. Tap on next. Tap on got it. Tap on allow. Security verification. You tap on start. Drag the slider to fit the puzzle piece. Here, WeChat will send a verification code in your phone number. Here, WeChat has sent a verification code. Copy the code. Tap on next. Here you go, your WeChat account has been created. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can create your WeChat account. Thank you.